New details tonight in that massive hacking incident involving hundreds of Hollywood celebrities. The FBI is now on the case. Federal investigators say they are looking into the hacking of some very intimate photos of celebrities, including Oscar winner Jennifer Lawrence and supermodel Kate Upton, among others. And Apple says it's looking into reports that its iCloud online data backup service was compromised by the hackers.
By storing it on the cloud, it becomes a one-stop shop for hackers. Hackers only have to break in one place to get everybody's data.
Jennifer Lawrence's publicist said in a statement that authorities have been contacted and will prosecute anyone who posts the stolen photos of her client.
You know, it is not just celebrities at risk. What happened to the stars could happen to anyone who takes a picture on an iPhone or an Android phone and then stores it on a cloud. NBC4's Kate Larson talked to a woman whose daughter was the victim of hacking, and Kate's up on our newsroom now with the story. Kate?
Chuck, that's right. You know, Charlotte Laws did not know a thing about revenge porn until her daughter became a victim. She's now helped hundreds of other victims. She's an expert and advocate in the field. In fact, the same Los Angeles-based FBI team that's investigating the celebrity hack helped solve her daughter's case. 2.5 years ago, Charlotte Law's daughter, Kayla, came to her with a problem.
She took about 100 pictures and one of them was topless. And she never intended to show the topless picture to anyone. And 3 months later is when she was hacked, and that topless picture ended up on the most notorious revenge porn website, isanyoneup.com.
Charlotte launched an attack against what she calls cyber rape.
It's almost always women. It's misogyny. There's a hatred of women on the internet that's pretty pronounced.
Within months, her daughter's topless selfie was removed from the internet. IsAnyOneUp.com was shut down, and its founder, Hunter Moore, was arrested by the FBI along with his associate, Charlie Evans.
And they're facing 42 years in prison each for hacking, identity theft, conspiracy.
But Charlotte's crusade didn't come easy.
I had phone call death threats, I had emails, I had death threats on Twitter. It was scary.
Charlotte's research has paved the way for FBI investigations and new anti-revenge porn laws in California. She recommends that victims contact the FBI and local law enforcement, send takedown notices to Google, to the host site and its owner, and copyright the hacked photos. Charlotte says a lot of revenge porn victims end up wanting to avoid the internet and hide, but she says that is not the right approach. Instead, victims should go online and sign up for social media and established business sites to build a positive online presence and push negative information further down in a search. Charlotte has actually agreed to help any of our viewers with any revenge porn problems that they or family members may have. You can go to our NBC LA News app for her email and address website. Reporting in the newsroom, Kate Larson, NBC4 News, back to you.